个时候你是否能不能加盟我们一个中国一个联盟？
Hand gesture like this, and I think this means no.
Yes.
Also
yes.
In Chinese. Yes.
Together.
Yes. We give you 1,000. Okay. What? Okay. Alright, so he's
Yay!
1,000.
Okay, this is exciting. We're in the cab and we have no idea where we're going.
Yay! All excited and everything. We just hope that
Our guide sits in the front.
Okay, Sichuan.
四川人。
四川。
对。
I think his plan is not working because it's raining and the rain doesn't here. We're kind of oil over the egg.
I want to see how it goes.
What is it?
我去看一下。你看别的就是先下雨。
What does it say?
We three bird go other two. We three birds go to the other two. Ho-Jin said that there are 3 birds in Beijing. The bird's nest, the bird's leg, and the bird's egg. And better, it's just me and half of this.
But look at his cell phone.
Yeah, I mean he's got a very fancy cell phone. Let's make a kind of...
Where's yours?
I don't know where you put it, in my bag. Let's make
It's got a camera and everything.
small comparison.
This is mine. Nothing fancy.
This is mine, it's like 5 years old or something, and another one, he wasn't happy with it. And he's not being so good, but we're really happy and everything. We're really happy that he kind of agreed to take us to see all these places. I don't know how he's going to take us. I guess so, yeah. Go. Thank you.
就说你是否能不能加盟我们一个中国一个联盟？就说像我们这样这种人，是否能愿意？
And this is a suggestion. So don't forget this person. He comes from the Sichuan earthquake area, and he's a real messenger of the Olympic spirit.
I'm gonna miss you.